What's on everyone? I'm Jaden and today we're going to do a new series of Play-Doh collection. Now, actually I did videos of these back in 2017. You can check the videos in the playlist called Play-Doh collection on my channel. Anyways, today we're going to review the normal size tubs. So first is a yellow version 2. Well, this is a custom design of a tub. Well, have a look. I actually moved this coloured Play-Doh to here in an empty tub. You can have a look. Look! Here it is. It's kind of mixed with blue. I did that to blue before. So that's that. So next we have dark blue, which looks pretty nice. It's seen in better days. And the colour is pretty nice too. So next we'll go for orange. I actually have 2 oranges. I have more Play-Doh than this. If I find them, I'll review them. They look the same colours, but the tubs look different. So that looks a bit like a match. So next we have red. Now I actually got 3 reds. That's amazing. And look! All the tubs look the same. And there's a little scratch there, but that's alright. Next, we'll do more yellow number 2s. These look more alike. I already reviewed this, but I should have done all of them at the same time. And once again, they're both the same. And once again, the colour's pretty good. Next, we're doing my favourite colour, purple. And once again, I have 2. They both look different again. And purple is the best colour in the world ever. Ready or not, here comes yellow. Double trouble again. And they're different once again. This is yellow number 1. And the other one was yellow number 2, like I already said. Next is double trouble for blue. Ready or not, here we come! Yeah, I know, Play-Doh tubs can't really speak. It was only me. And they actually look the same. Well, except this part peeled off this one. Ignore those yellow bits. They don't matter. Next, double trouble with green. And once again, they're both the same. For the last time, how many double troubles do you need? Don't know? Yeah, that was me, once again. You know Play-Doh can't really talk. Wow. Next, we're gonna do pink, which is really good again. Abracadabra! Let's look inside, shall we? Some great colour to squish and roll. Next, drum roll please. Orange number 2. Yeah, this is a different orange. And if we look inside, a different orange colour. Yeah. Next, we have a light blue. It's the colour of the sky, which is good. And last but not least is turquoise. Pretty good colour. Turquoise is pretty good. Okay guys, so that was my entire Play-Doh normal size tub collection. If I get more tubs like this, I'll review them to you. Thanks for watching and I'll see you later.